Hi guys, so here's a tutorial for the side lunge flow. So you begin by spreading your feet wide and turning your feet about 30 to 45 degrees out. And you can just bend side to sides first, trying to find the correct position for your knees so you don't strain them as you go lower. So you can practice this as a daily exercise routine to promote the circulation of your body and to strengthen your legs. You can even practice it as a preparation for the warrior advances and retreats and also the hip flow. So once you're comfortable with the knees position, you can try swinging the arms up and then downward. Remember to inhale as you're lifting up and exhale as you're folding forward. So after repeating a couple of times, you can try to go a little bit lower just to test out the knees and the hips position, and then gradually trying out different arms position. So I call this the eagle wings. You can swing the arms up, spread the wings wide as you fold. So this is a good exercise for your shoulders as well. Now, to prepare for your warrior advances and retreats, you can just go inhaling upward and exhale to the low retreat. Inhaling upward, exhale to the low retreat. So repeat this as many times as you like. Remember, inhaling going up, exhaling folding forward. Now once you're comfortable with this, you can begin by doing the low retreat, big circle to the high retreat, opposite low retreat, big circle to the high retreat. So this is fun. Try to explore different positions or different height and different arms positions. Be creative, be organic, and remember the trick is to breathe smoothly, following or synchronizing with the movements. There you go. Happy practicing!